Okay guys, so it's time for you guys to learn one of my all-time favorite activities for first grade, and it's called Sentence Scramble. And I'm super excited because I love doing sentence scrambles because I feel like it really helps us understand sentence structure. So here's how you play. I have all of these parts of a sentence, the words and the punctuation mark up here, but they're all out of order. They're scrambled. That's why it's called sentence scramble. So I need your help putting them back together to form a complete sentence. So what should we look for? And I want you to think, what should we be looking for when we write a sentence? And usually for sentence scramble, I really like to think about the beginning of the sentence and the end of the sentence. So, what usually comes at the beginning of a sentence and the end of a sentence that might help us put this sentence together? Okay, so you are correct. At the beginning of a sentence, what do I always say? It has to have an uppercase letter. So I'm looking, can you guys point to the word up here that has an uppercase letter to start with? Alrighty, I'm going to count to 3 and we'll see if we point to the same one. 1, 2, 3. Yes, this word has an uppercase P. So I know this has got to be the first word of my sentence. What is this word? Let's read it. Put. Put. This is the word put, and it's got to go at the beginning of my sentence, because it's the only one up here that has an uppercase letter, right? Now, can you guys find the punctuation mark that will go at the end of my sentence? Let's point to it together. 1, 2, 3. Yes, so this is going to go at the end of my sentence. So I'm just going to move that. Okay, and actually, it's probably going to go down here because my sentence is probably going to move. Okay, so we have the beginning and the ending to my sentence. Now we just need to find what goes in between. So in order to do that, let's figure out these words. What is this word? This was a trick word. Here. Let's read this word. Junk. Junk. And this is a trick word. The. So which one of these words would make sense to go next after the word put? Put. The is what I was thinking. So let's try it. And the fun thing about sentence scrambles is that we can put it together, and if it doesn't make sense, we'll try a different way. So now we have put the. We have 2 words left. We have here and we have junk. Which word do you think comes next? Let's point to it at the same time. 1, 2, 3. Here. Let's try it. And right away I can say put the here. Does that make sense? No, that doesn't make sense. So that tells me that it has to be junk that comes next. Put the junk. Good. And then we have 1 word left. Here. And then I can move this. Okay. Let's read our sentence to see if it makes sense. Put the junk here. Does it make sense? It does. Great. Let's try a different one, okay? Okay guys, so I have this next one up on the board. So here we go. Let's work to unscramble these words and make a sentence. So remember, what we need to do is figure out which one of these comes at the beginning and the end of our sentence, and then we can fill in between. So remember, a sentence has to start with an uppercase letter every time. So which one of these words begins with an uppercase letter? And let's point at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. This word begins with an uppercase letter. Let's read it. Can. Awesome. I'm going to just move this out of the way. So can. Okay. Which one of these is going to come at the end? So I kind of tricked you because it does need to be a punctuation mark, but I don't have a period up here. So which one of these is going to be at the end? Point together. 1, 2, 3. This question mark. Very good. And I'm going to move this And I'm going to put this right here because it's my sentence, again, is probably going to run over. So we have can, and then we have a question mark. So we know we're asking a question. Let's figure out the rest of these words. We have you, here, and come. Can, what word do you think is going to come next? Can, let's try this word. Can you? That does sound good. Let's try the other two first. Can here, can come. No, so can you is our best. I wonder if I put these together, I might be able to fit them. Okay, so now let's figure out which word comes next. Can you hear? Nope. What about can you come? Can you come here? And then we have our question mark at the end. Oh, come on. Oh, no. All right, I'm going to have to move it down. That's okay. So let's read our sentence to see if we got it correct. And actually, let me space these out since I had to move it down. There we go. Okay. Can you come here? Yep, it makes sense. All right, you guys, great job. So your seesaw assignment today is you're going to be unscrambling some words to create a sentence. I can't wait to see what you do. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.